welcome back to Lots of Yum for You. It's me, Chef Connie, and ho ho ho, Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. So, I got a gift from my wonderful son and his fiance and my granddaughter. Oh my goodness, I am so excited. And what else would a chef want like me, especially with somebody who's trying to be a health and fitness coach and stay in shape, as well as having fun making all these delicious recipes and cooking all this deliciousness for you guys. They bought me a high-end meal prepping cutting board. Well, I haven't opened it, so this is it. Let me open this so I can see what this youth group has purchased for me. And I'm going to put, oops, I'm back. I'm going to put a link in the description box as to where you can get yourself one of these from Amazon. I'll put my link in the description box. Meanwhile, let me get it all the way open. It's still in plastic. Let's see. Let me get one of my knives. Oh, wow. Okay. All right. So let me grab one of my favorite. This is one of my favorite chopping knives. Love it. Okay, I might need to put this in the description box too. Very sharp, very sharp. Okay, here we go. This has plastic on it, so what I'm gonna do is go ahead and cut off plastic. Wow, this is amazing. I'm very excited. I have never seen one of these, so I am going to, we're gonna have to open this up together. Oh, wait a minute. Look at this. And look at this. Wow. I know what this is. I did look at one of these. I looked at one and I was like, oh, I would love it. And now look at this. And I never told them. So, as everyone, anyway, let me keep going because these boards come out. Isn't that awesome or what? And then there's one right here. Wow. And you can also, I think what happens, no, actually I know what happens. You can chop this, right? Use the board, chop it with your good knife and scoot it right into the box. So we take out the box, take the top off, and you know what? I'm gonna have to do some meal prep anyway. I'll drop the camera down and show you how to use it when I start doing some chopping from a video. I can't even get the top off. Yes, I can. Just kidding. So here we go. Okay, I put it back into that compartment. Chop, scoot the food over into this. Is amazing. And everyone knows, not everyone, but most of you guys, and pretty much anyone who cooks, so I think everyone knows that at some point there are ingredients that have to be chopped, cut, sliced, diced, and whatever. So there it is. I love this. This is a meal prep. I'm sure they bought it for my videos. So I am very excited and I hope you guys get excited. And what's up next? I think we have time to make some watermelon margaritas to celebrate. So I'm about to drop the camera down, yes, and go get the tequila, the watermelon cups, the watermelon, and all the ingredients to make us, yes, you heard me, a celebration Christmas watermelon margarita for my celebration of my beautiful Christmas gift from my family. Okay, I will see you soon to make some tequila watermelon margarita deliciousness. Okay, party people, I am back and ready to make, you know, the watermelon margaritas. Yum. Yes, this is a celebration for my new cutting board. All right, let's do it. I'm gonna drop this camera down and let's make some watermelon margarita deliciousness. I am ready, everyone, and we are going to make some deliciousness. remember at the beginning of this video, this is my brand new cutting board. Love it. Love, this is my favorite knife. Here we go. I'm just cutting up my, limes for this delicious watermelon. There we go. And there we go. All right. I think I'll just sit that there. Look, isn't this great? You can sit the knife out of your way while you move stuff around. Now for our watermelon. Okay, this is a small watermelon. What I did was, I took my watermelon earlier and I cut off the top here. That's just enough to let me scoop it out. I cut off the bottom here, not too thin, just enough for this to sit up just like that, like a cup. So it will hold my straw. Ooh. And so what we're going to do is, we're going to move this out of the way. Here we have limes for our margarita, tequila, yum. Simple syrup, we're going to learn how to make that at home. And lime juice, yummy. And of course, here is our frozen watermelon. I've scooped it out of this and put it inside of this bag. Now I'm going to put it in the blender and we are going to blend it. Okay, here's our blender. I'm going to take some of this watermelon. It's frozen. It's been in the freezer. You can use your hand or a spoon. I'm probably just going to be easier to just drop some in. Okay, like that. And the lime juice. We're going to pour in the lime juice and the simple syrup to give it some sweetness. And I will leave the recipe in the description box. And now we're going to blend it. You do not want to put any tequila in here at this point. Let's raise that a little bit. And here we go. Wow, that's it. Nice and smooth. Now, we're gonna take our watermelon shell and pour this mixture into okay, and then after we pour our mixture into the watermelon shell, I'm gonna go ahead and pour in our shot of tequila. Swirl around your straw. If you like, you can put in a little bit more lime juice, totally up to you. Swirl it around, and we are going to do the deliciousness test. All right, everyone. So I hope we had fun with that quick and easy drink. I am going to put this deliciousness in the description box. Okay, so here we go. Let me taste this watermelon margarita celebration for my Christmas gift from my family. Let's give this deliciousness test a try. Okay, you can do one shot in here. You can go with 2 shots in here. And the reason why you want to put the alcohol in last is because when you have a big bag like this of the frozen watermelon, after you mix it, you know, with the lime juice and the simple sugar and stuff, we really don't know how much is going to fit into this. We don't want to overspill, so you go ahead. First you put in all your, you know, mixed ingredients except the alcohol. And then from there you can put in 1 shot, 2 shots. After you taste your drink and say, you know what, I'm gonna go with 2 shots. And for the bold and daring, I I know some of you guys are gonna try to go with 3 shots. Oh, come on, quit playing. Just go with 2 max. I mean, 3, come on. Unless you have a designated driver. Anyway, thanks for watching. And wait, let me take another sip of this. This is delicious. I always say, what? Deliciousness. So thank you for watching. I wish everybody happy holidays, and I hope you and your, well, 21 and up family make this watermelon deliciousness. Bye for now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so that you will be, and push the bell notification button so you will be notified of when I do another delicious video. Okay, bye for now.